Hi there, and today we're going to learn about how to fix the compare price not appearing in Shopify. So here I am in my Shopify homepage, and let's go to my Shopify website. So for example, let's go to the online store, and then I'll open a product right here. So for example, let's go to catalog, then let's open this one, the athletic running shorts. And then what you can do is that you can have a compare at price right here. So for example, if you are having a sale in your Shopify website, you can put the compare price so that the customers will know that this specific price is in sale. So for example, let's find this one, the athletic running shorts. So let's go back here, click on products, and then let's find the athletic running shorts, which is this one. And then you should see the compare at price right here. So you should be here in the price part right here in your product details, and then click compare at. So this way it will have an additional display price where this acts like the original price of your product. So for example, let's say 200 right here, and then click save. And then when we go back to our Shopify website and reload, this compare at price will be displayed right here. As you can see, the 200 pesos right here is crossed out, and then you have the 110 pesos right here, and then you will have this sale display right here. And then that is basically it. But if you have like a product with a lot of different variants, for example, let's go to catalog. Then let's select this one, the colored short sleeve t-shirts. And then when we go back here to our products, let's select the colored short sleeve t-shirts. So right here, you cannot see the compare at price right away. So this is what we're going to do to fix it. So what you need to do is that you need to select that specific variant. So for example, if I go right here to the blue shirt variant, I can click on it, and then this window or this page should appear. And then what you can do is that you can click the compare at price so that it will appear here again. So for example, let's say 250 right here, and then click save. So this should appear right here on our website, but it's only visible for the blue t-shirt. Then when I go to the other variants right here, it doesn't have the compare at price. So what you need to do, it's either you need to go through each of your variants one by one, or what you can do is that you can bulk edit. So for example, let's go back to the colored short sleeve t-shirts page. What you can do is that you will select all the variants right here and then click bulk edit so that you can edit all of them in one page. So from here, click columns, click compare at price so that it is displayed right here, and then just go ahead and insert the compare price right here for each of your variants for your product. For example, let's say 250 for all of the products right here. Then we can just copy this and then paste it right here so that we don't need to type them one by one. Then click on save, go back, and then this should now be visible for all of our products right here in the colored short sleeve t-shirts. And then that is basically it. That is how we can fix the compare price not appearing in our products right here in Shopify. I hope you learn how to do it, and thank you for watching.